I'm in Greenland. It's we are in Qooqqut, which is an hour from Nuuk, and we're out at a really nice Thai restaurant where you can catch your own fish and make it. And they have this little small greenhouse where they have fast-growing crops. They start in June, and then they just pick until the crops are too big. They have salad, and they have cabbage, where they use the flowers in the salad, and they have radishes. You can see it there, maybe. And they have coriander, and I think it's either it's mint or Thai basilicum. I think it's mint. They don't grow potatoes because they take too long. So that is really nice. And if I just go outside, you can see the wonderful view. You can see the restaurant there, and then the small house. They cut up the fish that you have caught and prepared for the restaurant. And you can see the amazing mountains in the background. And if you turn around, you can see the fjord. I don't know what it's called in English. And you can rent those small cabins there. We stayed here for 2 nights. It's been really wonderful. There you have it. Gardening in the subarctic region. A wonderful place.